Good morning children, welcome back to our EVS class. So in the previous class we have learnt about the planet and we came to know that there are 8 planets and the earth is the only planet where there is life. We can say because we live on the earth itself and we came to know, see we have, this is our solar system and these white lines which are there, they are called the orbit. Orbit means where the planets revolve around the sun. See here, these planets revolve around the sun on the fixed path. Fixed path means the road light. So they move on the fixed path called orbit. See the spelling of orbit is O-R-B-I-T, orbit. So they move on the fixed path. Fixed path means the road. On the fixed road called orbit, and as they move on their fixed path on their lines itself, they do not collide. Collide means they do not hit each other. So we came to know that there are 8 planets and the fixed path is called the orbit and they do not collide. So now we will know about the topic Earth. Now let us read and find out. The Earth is the only planet that has life on it. So we came to know that there is only the earth is the only planet where there is life, as we live on the earth. We, the human beings, animals, plants, we all live on the earth. If we see a picture of the planet earth taken from space, it looks like a ball which is bluish green in color. Now see, you can see this. If you see, if you open your Google and find out the planet earth, you will find it like this, bluish green. See here, blue denotes the water. So we will find our earth in this way. Okay, so bluish green in color. It is slightly flattened at the top and bottom and bulges at the center like an orange. So see, it is flattened at the top means it is flat like this. So when you press, like suppose if you take a balloon and when you press it, there it will be flattened and in the center it will bulge like this. Bulge and it will open like this. So if you are seeing a orange, see, when you press at the top, here it becomes flat and here it bulges. Instead of being a circle, it bulges in the center. So this is how our earth is, like an orange. So millions of years ago, when earth was formed, it was a hot ball of rocks and gases. With time, it cooled down because of rain. So earlier, earth was known as hot ball of rocks and gases. So as time passed on, because of the rain, it cooled down. It has a solid surface of mountains, valleys, canyons, plains and so much more. So earth contains of what? Mountains, valleys, plains and many more, like canyons and everything. So approximately 3/4 part of the earth's surface is covered with water in the form of oceans, and one part of the earth's surface is land where we have our homes. So as you can see, the blue part, so 3/4 is covered with the water itself and the green part is where we live, that is the only land. So 3/4 part of the earth is covered with water and 1/4 is the only land where we have our homes. Therefore earth is also called a blue planet. So earth is called a blue planet. Why it is called a blue planet? Because there is 3/4 of water surrounding it. So it is called a blue planet. There is a layer of air which surrounds the earth. So there is a layer of air which surrounds the earth, and this layer is called the atmosphere. So the air which moves around the earth, that is called the atmosphere. So what is the earth called? Earth is called a blue planet because the surrounding 3/4 part of the earth is surrounded with water, and only 1/4 part, 3/4 is surrounded with water, and 1/4, only 1/4 is the land. So Earth is called a blue planet, and the layer of air is called the atmosphere. So we will discuss about the other topic in the next class, and this in we have the let's try to. You have the let's try to see, and you have to number the solar system. See, write the numbers of these planets in order of their distances. You have the, see our solar system, no? Seeing the solar system. Now one example is done for you. Here you have some of the planets here, and Mercury is the first. Now you have to see what is the next one, Venus. So find where Venus is, write the number 2. So you have to write the number of the planets, in which place it is. First is the Mercury, second comes the Venus, third what comes, fourth, then fifth, sixth, seventh and eighth. You have to give the numbers to these planets. Okay children, so the next one is write as the earth. Write in short any 5 points the earth would like to tell us about itself to everyone. So this you have to write as if you are the earth wants to speak to you, as if you are the earth, and that the earth is speaking to everyone. So you have to write 5 points about the earth. You can write saying that earth is saying that I am called a blue planet, and on me the plants, animals and human beings live. So you have to write 5 points what the earth is trying to say about itself to everyone. So this is your homework. I hope you all will do it, and we'll discuss in the Zoom class. So we'll meet with the next topic in the next class. Thank you children.